All right, gentlemen. Look at me, Orlando. All right, Orlando, do you understand the rules? Gaetan? I'll take that as a yes. All right, Brian, your horse, my horse. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. Clean plate, boys. The whole plate. Oh, my God.
Gucci, I like that play, Gucci. Come on. Come on, Gucci. Come on.
Sorry, guys. This is awesome.
Top. Let that top right there.
Guys, this is the slowest competition I've ever seen in my life. I'll just point that out there.
Yeah.
Come on, Orlando. Come on, baby. Yeah, boy. All right.
I'll give you the Heimlich if you choke. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes. It's over. Plate and pickles. Plate and pickles.
All right. Guys, the plate's got to be clean.
Mouth check, too.
Gooch has got a lot. Guys, you got to say ah when you're done.
Well, it's getting close now, actually. Orlando's...
Come on, Orlando. Put that pickle down. Orlando. One bite. Let's go.
Come on, Gucci. Come on, Gucci. Come on.
All right, playtime, playtime.
Come on, Gucci.
One more, but you're not done, Gooch. You're not done.
Come on, Gucci. Gucci is gone.
I see. He's gonna say ah.
I don't know. He's got a lot of stuff on his plate. Gucci wins.
I think Orlando won. No, you can say ah yet. Ah.
Gucci won, dude.
Oh, this is tough.
Gucci won.